Welcome to our ultimate guide on enhancing your beauty naturally with Kate Blanc Cosmetics Organic Castor Oil, your go-to solution for healthier hair, skin, and nails. Let's explore the secrets behind this miracle oil. Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Kate Blanc's Organic Castor Oil. From improving eyelash growth to nourishing your scalp, this product is packed with benefits. Whether you're new to natural beauty or a seasoned enthusiast, this video will guide you through the uses, application tips, and real-life results. What makes Kate Blanc Castor Oil special? First, let's talk about why this castor oil stands out. It's USDA certified organic, meaning it's free from harmful chemicals, and it's cold-pressed, preserving its natural nutrients. Unlike some other oils, it's hexane-free, ensuring the purest and safest formula for your skin and hair. Eyelash and eyebrow care. Let's start with one of the most popular uses, enhancing your lashes. The kit includes a fine applicator brush, perfect for targeting your lash line. Dip the brush into the oil, making sure to remove any excess. Then, gently apply it along the upper lash line, like you would an eyeliner. Within a couple of weeks, many users notice longer, fuller lashes. Consistency is key here. For thicker, fuller brows, use the spoolie brush included in the kit. Lightly coat the brush with oil and comb through your brows, focusing on sparse areas. Over time, this will help stimulate growth and make your brows appear more defined. Hair growth and scalp nourishment. Now, let's move on to hair care. Castor oil is a game changer for promoting hair growth and reducing dryness. Warm a small amount of the oil in your hands and massage it into your scalp. This not only nourishes your hair follicles but also improves circulation, which can help stimulate growth. If your hair is prone to dryness or breakage, apply a small amount to the ends as a natural conditioner. Skin care benefits. This oil isn't just for hair. Its moisturizing properties make it fantastic for your skin. Use a few drops as part of your nighttime routine to help reduce the appearance of fine lines, scars, and blemishes. It's also great for treating dry, cracked skin on your hands and feet. And don't forget, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent spot treatment for acne. Real user testimonials and results. Thousands of users rave about their results with Kate Blanc's castor oil. From dramatic lash transformations to visibly healthier hair, the feedback speaks for itself. Seeing is believing. Check out these incredible transformations shared by real customers. Versatility and additional uses. Did you know castor oil can also strengthen brittle nails? Massage a small amount onto your nails and cuticles daily for a natural shine and healthier nails. Plus, you can mix it with other oils like jojoba or almond oil for customized skincare solutions. Why choose Kate Blanc? With so many castor oil options out there, why choose Kate Blanc? The answer is quality. Their commitment to organic, pure ingredients ensures you're getting the best for your beauty routine. And the included applicators make it so convenient to use. Conclusion. Kate Blanc Cosmetics Organic Castor Oil is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their natural beauty. Whether it's longer lashes, thicker hair, or healthier skin, this product delivers real results. If you're ready to experience the benefits, click the link in the description to order yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.